welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And someone asked why I always say that. It's just because I always do all the crafting. So today we're going to do another build for my cat. Another scratching post. It's not a post, but it's a container basically for my cat. So if you have a cat, this is a great video. If you're just bored and need something to watch, this is also a great video. But go ahead, give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. This is Dart, and he is who we are creating for today. Alright, so here is what we're actually building. I found this at Aldi. Aldi does holiday stuff down their main aisle or the middle aisle all the time. So this is Halloween. It's a cat scratching playhouse. Now, I made a Costco warehouse for my cat many months ago, and he absolutely loves it. He uses it all the time. He actually sleeps in it. I don't understand, but he sleeps in it. He loves it. So I figured I'd try another one, and he has an old scratching pad that just needs to be thrown away. So I'm going to throw that one away, and hopefully this will fit in that spot. So it looks simple. We'll see. Someone pointed out that I pointed out that you read the instructions. Literally, that's the only way I know how to figure it out. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. So you have to understand that I love making stuff. Whether it's something like this out of a box or whether it's something I make, from scratch. It's just fun for me. And so I'm going to share my fun. So I'm just taking it all apart. It is kind of cheap. It was only $7, so I expected it to be cheap, but it's still cute and it still works. And we're literally just going to put it together. I don't think I need to talk through any of this. It was fairly simple. Oh, there's the catnip. Got to have catnip. And the instructions. Got to have the instructions, as someone pointed out to me before. I think they were making fun of me, but it's okay. It's fine. I need instructions. So anyway, so I'm just going to be quiet. I'll have some music here, maybe some Halloween type music, and let's just build stuff because it's fun. Okay, so that was it for setup. So I'm going to put it again where his old scratch pad was, and it fits perfectly.
And then we're going to put catnip because that's the only way to get him to go explore it. So we're sprinkling catnip all over it. And I put the catnip that they give you, I put that in a little shaker bottle so it's easier for me to spread around. And then I went to go actually get him a treat, and he actually came, he must have smelled the catnip. He came and tried to investigate. And then I'm going to put a couple treats in so that he actually wants to go in the box to explore inside the box. And this is sped up, so it took him a couple minutes, maybe a full minute to actually get in and get his treat. He gets treats in threes, so whenever he knows he's getting a treat, it's going to be in threes, so he knows to come back. And then after I gave him all his treats, then he decided he wanted to go investigate a little bit more. So he actually got in it, and he did his little scratching, and then he got super comfy and made sure that his scent is all over the box. Look at him. He's just loving it. It's fabulous. And so if you just want a cute little inexpensive treat for your cat, this is a great thing to give. And it's not food, which is helpful. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope that you could go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember to always appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.